Good everyone, Splash here. We are going to talk Contractor PC Gun today. Have had a lot of questions about this. I've actually experienced this problem myself. I've seen some other painters talk about this. And I wanted to kind of go a little bit more in depth on what issue you may be seeing on your guns. So we have the new Contractor PC Gun from Graco. Love this gun. There's actually a compact version and there's this version. I'm actually completely cleaning one and redoing one right now. But I wanted to go through what the problem is. Some of you will notice when you've sprayed, your trigger actually stays up and does not release. So usually when you push down, that trigger will release. Sometimes I actually get stuck in what I call spray mode, which honestly as a sprayer is not that bad, but it does happen when you want to be done. You don't want to have spray because you think you're done and it can leave a weird mark on a finished product. So there's a fix to it. So let's kind of discuss this. Take off the tip. With the new guns, you can completely disassemble these. As I have this one, you can tell, kind of go side by side on what's going on. But I'm not going to take this one out. This is actually just kind of one of a model for me. You will turn this. Now, on these, if you have the newer guns, there is a, I wanted to show you this. There is an Allen wrench pin right there that you will use to turn and pull that out. Now you can see when you don't have that spray guard in there, this actually pulls all the way through. That's where that needle goes on there. It's the same thing we're going to talk about on here, but what's happening on your guns is this piece right here is not adjusted properly. Now, it's from wear and tear of you just using your gun. Anytime I've ever had this issue, it's after I've used a gun for a significant amount of time. So here's what you want to do. You want to get an Allen wrench. I think this one is a 1/16. So some of the guns I've gotten actually have them. Some of them don't, but just have one in your tool bag. You are going to turn that and twist that. What you're going to do is I'm going to pull this all the way out so you can actually see what that is. So there's that needle that's putting that paint through. Here's this. So what's happening is this will, I don't want to squish my hands on this. So I want to show you though how this is working. So you see how that's all the way in? You can turn that out. So you want to adjust that. And you'll want to be careful because you can actually have that pull all the way through. If you can see that in the camera. I don't know if you can, but it'll actually push all the way through. You don't want to have that. You just want to adjust that on there so your trigger pull will continue. It's a little bit of play that you need to do. Once you have figured that out, go ahead, turn this tight again, and voila, there you go. You're going to have a little bit of play in it, but that's what you want to have in here to get the best spray on there. Once that's done, go ahead, pop this in, and turn that, then lock this down. Now, I want to show you a real quick trick while we're talking about this. You cannot take the needle out while this is pinched down. You can't take it out. So that's actually a good to see. So see how that's there? That goes down. If you spin this out, that's the needle you just replaced. See how that gun goes? So what's happening is you're getting that stuck. That's why your handle is getting stuck up there because this is too far out, or you actually could have it pushed in too far as well. And last but not least, you just have too much paint in your gun, like good old Splash had here. But that is the fix for the compact and the regular Contractor PC Gun. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, comment, follow. You can follow me on Instagram at _painting. Also, YouTube. This is probably where you found this video at Splashco. But until then, have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.